then, this morning, the video I've got is about these 12-volt LED replacement bulbs. These are meant for replacement in like backup lights, trailer and RV lights, position lights. These are not stop lights. They only have one connector on the back and one brightness setting. And the main reason I'm making a video about these is because there's like no information on them anywhere on the internet that's what I would consider useful. I thought I had a socket to show you. I've got some on order, but I don't. So basically we're just going to go over them real quick. I'm not going to tear them down. I'm going to need these and I don't want to waste any of them. So let's go in for a close-up here. Should be able to see all that. And what the information that's lacking on these is, number one, how many milliamps do they draw? I think the manufacturers don't realize that that's a concern for people who use them on RVs and things that use battery power, so they don't really report it. I can tell you that a standard 1156 bulb uses anywhere between 1.5 and 2 amps, 2.2 amps when supplied with 12 volts DC. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out at 12 volts, which would indicate a battery that's for the most part only has about 25% capacity left, just to show you how many milliamps these things draw. They are normally, the case is negative and the end is positive. In many of the advertisements for these, they will show them, they'll say something like, if you put these in and it doesn't work, to reverse it. Yeah, I don't know what they think they mean, but there's no way to reverse this without taking it apart or just partially disassembling it or rewiring the socket in question. If it doesn't work, then you may have a positive ground on your lamp socket, and you're gonna have to redo something. So let's see if we can get this on here. And see, we're getting about 140 milliamps at 12 volts. And we'll pump that up to what a full, this is what it would put out if you had a full battery, or the amp draw. You see, we're getting about 170 180 milliamps. And if you were running the vehicle and it would probably be charging, and most vehicles are around 14.4 volts. There's some that are higher, but I'm not going to run these any higher than that. Come on. Honestly. So at 14.4 volts, we're drawing about 400 milliamps. Oh wait, we're not doing anything yet. Okay, now let's do that. 250 milliamps. Let's check a few of these. 240. 240. 240. So you would you're pulling at the most about a quarter of what a regular RV or 1156 bulb would draw, and that can amount to quite a savings on an RV with a lot of these. If you say you had 18 bulbs and you were running them all, you would be pulling anywhere from 27 to 35 milliamp, or 27 to 35 amps with regular incandescent bulbs. But with these, you would only be pulling in, I calculated this earlier. I want to say it was like 17, but I'll put the correct number in the video. I have installed these in my pop-up trailer. They're really good. They substantially lower, I mean, they don't draw anywhere near as much as the old bulbs, and they're brighter. These are cool white. A lot of people prefer the warm light, but I think this lights things up a little better. There's a part number on this packaging, and that pulls up pretty much nothing. Pulls up, if you Google that, you come up with a couple of websites that are selling these, but that's it, no information. All I can tell you is that they're using 50/50 lights, that each one of these LEDs has actually 3 LEDs in it. Reliability, I can't answer to that yet. The ones I've installed are still working, but I don't use them very often. If you saw my previous video where I converted the fluorescent LED lantern to LED, I have 4 of those, and they light up very brightly. There are other styles of these in various sizes and heights and number of LEDs and brightness and colors and whatever, but that's just a quick video about the ones I've got. Thanks for watching.